Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Kik live streaming app. Here we go to settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Kik app. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.